Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Pre-Bell with William on India. So before I start the session, here is a disclaimer which I like to state. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BSL and certification from NISM in no way guarantees performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to investors. Investment in securities market are subject to the market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So here are the world market, how it has closed. So US market has closed on negative note by Nasdaq 1.06% negative. Dow has closed 0.57% negative. S&P 500 has closed 0.70% negative. DAX has closed on negative note by 0.19%. FTSE 100 0.16% and CSE 40 by 0.84% on negative note. However, Asia market KOSPI has closed now negative note by 0.69%, Nikkei 0.22% negative, Shanghai Composite 0.35% negative, Hang Seng has closed on negative note by 0.80%. So now the news. US August S&P Global Services PMI final at 50.5 versus 52.3, MOM versus estimate of 51. US August ISM series PMI at 54.4 versus 52.7, MOM versus state of 50 estimates of 52.4. TCS announces a 80 million pound pact with JLR Digital Unit to derive its reimagine strategy. Reliance Retail acquires 51% stake in Alia Bhatt's kids and maternity fashion brands Ide Mama. Pepsi Co announces rupees 770 crores investment in Assam with new plant. Hero Motor Corp has raised 900 crores from its existing investors Hero Motor Corp and GIC through a right issue. RHI Magnesita India, the Competitions Commission of India CCI has approved Roan Capital's intended purchase of 29.9% stake in RHI Magnesita NV without any issue. RSE has signed a foreign currency term loan agreement for $100 million with Export-Import Bank of India. So here are the derivatives data. So Nifty 50 PCR stand at 1.25. Maximum call open interest was seen at 19,700, which amounts to 2.55 lakhs, followed by 19,600, which amounts to 2.19 lakhs. Maximum put open interest was seen at 19,500, followed by 19,400, which amounts to 2.73 lakhs, followed by 19,400, which amounts to 2.55 lakhs. Bank Nifty PCR stand at 0.76. Maximum call open interest was seen at 44,500, followed by 44,000, which amounts to 6.51 lakhs, followed by 4.69 lakhs respectively. Maximum put open interest was seen at 44,300, which amounts to 5.13 lakhs, followed by 44,000, which amounts to 4 lakhs. So now I will discuss the chart. So this is the daily chart of Nifty 50, and we have seen that index has been actually in the correction phase from the last 3 weeks. But if you analyze the past 4 trading sessions, the index has actually tried to recover, and we can say that there has been sort of bounce back that has taken place, especially on the 1st September, on Friday itself. And from that day onwards, the index has been closing on the positive note from the past 4 days. So actually, on that point of time, when it was in the consolidation phase in the last month of August, so 50 DMA and 21 DMA, it was actually hovering around that range. But on September 1st, that is on Friday, it has actually reclaimed those two key moving average. Actually, those two were acting as resistance. So we can say that it is out of the resistance as of now, but still there has been confirmation yet to come. And if you look at the support level, then I can say that 19,400 may act as a support. But if you look at the upside, then index might face resistance towards 19,700 to 19,750. So far as if weekly expiry is concerned, the index might close near 19,600, 50 point here and there, maybe upside or downside maybe. So and this is all for the morning pre-bell. And at the end, I would also like to tell that bank Nifty expiry has actually closed yesterday, so we are not doing it. And I would also like to invite you all for Bazaar Pe Charcha, which will take place in the evening at 4:30. So we will be doing the detailed analysis of Nifty 50 as well as bank and all the sectors, respective sectors that we used to do. So you all are invited in the evening at 4:30. So thank you so much for your patient hearing.